Well, I'm renting a a small room upstairs in this 4-bedroom house with 3 restrooms, 2 showers. Anyway, Messy Marvin, yes. Not clean. I'm always having to clean when I get up if I want to do yoga or whatever. Yeah, there was a shell of an egg. She can't even clean her own stuff that she cleans with very well. This is either egg or milk. I just got done cleaning the floors because it's the pits. I don't like living in a pigsty. She's got some beautiful flowers. She seems to have a nice green thumb. She's a meat eater. And no matter how much I may tell her, she may watch me eat my fruit and my salads at night. She's still not convinced. She'd rather eat her animals. And that's okay. I don't push it. I just lead by example. But every time I come down here, I gotta bring my own stuff. And I gotta clean first before I do anything. Everywhere, upstairs, downstairs. This is an example, okay? If I hadn't been dedicating time to cleaning, the light's not very bright in here. To cleaning every time that I want to do yoga and stuff. Things are pretty messy like that. Those are bugs with a mixture of containers she has opened up, dust and dirt and what have you, even food particles on the floor. Because she insists on also feeding a cat that comes in here. Whatever she happens to be cooking, she will throw on the floor right there in front of the stove for the cat. Even if it's scalding hot, she just drops it down there for the cat. Nicer, I can work with this right here. Got my water. That's my own rag. And this is my dish drying towel. Grease on here. I'll have to be very careful, and I see some grease went on there. Normally I would clean it. I've been cleaning for the last month, off and on, at least 2-3 times a week before I can get started on my own eating. That does not even work, and it's filthy. Now, I don't like to eat in filth, and I don't like to use utensils that have been used, or boards, or pans, or even a sponge that has been used for cleaning meat and other items. I put a little bit of that into this jar, and I use my brush, and that's how I clean my utensils. I have to bring them all up down here from downstairs because everything else is a pigsty unless I clean.